leadership as well. So I see it's a very positive kind of move.
Thank you very much, Dignesh Bhai, for speaking to Newsix. For Newsix, Anand Singh.
All right, viewers. Now, at this point of time, in fact, as the big meeting in Ahmedabad is taking place, now joining me live on the broadcast is Ms. Mumtaz Patel. Appreciate you joining me this morning and thank you very much. The big meeting for the Congress that's happening has garnered a lot of attention. It is also in fact being touted and said that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is likely to get a bigger role and responsibility in the ranks of the party. How do you respond to this? And for you as a person belonging to the party, what does it mean to have this meeting and how would you like to describe it for in fact the center as well?
So it's a very big message that is being sent from the Congress party. After 6 decades, we are holding a CWC meeting like that under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji in the land of the Mahatma and Sardar Patel ji. And this is about revival of the Congress. This is about strengthening the Congress. We have AICC delegates that have come across from all across the country, and CWC is meeting today. It's a very crucial meeting because like I heard rightly that you said it is not just about decentralization of power. It is about empowering every grassroots worker. So there is a plan to revive Congress from the grassroots level so that every worker, every karyakarta at all levels, from the panchayat level to the district to the zilla, taluka, district level, you will get a say also. And be able to raise their opinions and voice strongly. So big changes we are expecting and hoping. And yes, whether it's Priyanka ji at the central level or a district president at every state level also, they'll all be getting bigger roles soon.
As you have rightly pointed out, in fact, how there are possibilities of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to also emerge as a bigger leader in Congress, and with 6 states upcoming to hold the elections, it is also in fact a possibility. But what is the bigger question here is also the fact that why would Congress want to choose Ahmedabad for this kind of a level of a meeting that has been specifically held for the decentralization and to also organize better party management at the booth level? Why Ahmedabad is what also in fact many would ask. Ms. Patel.
See, the question that media and people always say is that for 30 years, Congress has not come back to power in Gujarat. And currently, if you see the central government, the base of that central government is also in Gujarat. So today, if you can strike Gujarat or if you can, win back Gujarat, then the revival of Congress means that revival of Congress across the country. This was mostly a message that was being sent, that is being sent by the Congress party, that we're going to hit you where it hurts the most. And the fight begins from Gujarat. Like the independence struggle, Gujarat has been the hub from where the Satyagraha movement, the Dandi movement and all started. And today Congress wants to make sure that we begin our revival from Gujarat itself. So it's a message that is being sent all across the country that Gujarat is where we're going to hit where it hurts the most.
Well, absolutely, Ms. Patel. Thank you very much for joining us, as this big meeting in Ahmedabad, viewers, is being seen as a recent movement for the Congress party in Ahmedabad, where big roles are also being explored for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Now, when we